Okay. Today, welcome to all. Today we'll talk about approval flows in Oracle Cloud. Okay, so if you go for procurement or order management, there are various approval flows we are configuring in the system. So we'll see how many flows has been supported by the cloud and how many levels we have. So what exactly serial approval, what are the types of approvals, what is serial parallel, what is first responder win. There are a lot of hierarchies we have. So we'll go to system and we'll do one by one. So let me open Excel here. Approvals. So we are talking about today approvals for procurement. Wherever you go, same thing, same kind of functionality. So here approval types are serial and another one is parallel. Serial means always the notifications will go. So it will go one by one. I mean, first it will go to I mean approver A, then approver B, then approver C. If approver A is approved, then it will go to B. If he is rejected, then complete that notification will be rejected. It won't go to B. So it will be one by one. It will be sequential manner. It will go A, B, C like that. So parallel means it will go one shot to all approvers which are present under the group, which are present under the logic based on the rule. So in this parallel, so at a time, all these three persons can get the notifications. But here there are two concepts again, hierarchical way. One is consensus, first responder win. First responder win. 1 second, somebody is calling. Just hold on. Yeah.
Okay.
So in the serial, there are two types of approvals. Major
Okay.
classification is one is serial, one is parallel. Serial means,
Okay.
let us say, under that law, under the rule, we have a three approvers. The rule will be applicable for three approvers. Let us say. So what system will do is system will first send the notification to A. Once A is
Okay.
approved, it will go to B, then C, like that. If
Okay.
A is rejected, then system will reject completely the document, either PR or
Okay.
PO, for which one you are
Okay.
trying to create the approvals. Next one is parallel. Parallel means these three approvers can get one time.
Okay.
At a time, all these three guys will get a notifications. So in
Okay.
this parallel, we have a two kind of classifications. One is consensus first responder win. Consensus
Okay.
means if all these approvers approve the
Mm.
document, then the
Mm.
document final is approved.
Okay.
If one of the person is rejected in the ABC, then the final output is rejected
Okay.
for consensus. So
Okay.
first responder win means in this ABC, for example, first person, let us say the document received by the B is the first guy and remaining
Okay.
people received bit late. So if the approver B has approved that particular what you call document, remaining A and C has been rejected, then what is the final output is approved. Means based on the first responder win, system will take what exactly is output. If it is approved, it will take as approved. If it is rejected, system automatically take it as a rejection status. It won't bother about other people's response. That is a first
Okay.
responder win.
Okay.
Okay. So these are the two kind of classifications you can see in the cloud. And we have, let me connect to system first.
That first to responder means, can you once again explain that?
You tell me what we understand first responder win.
In three out of three,
See, for
if either.
example, the document
Okay.
sent to three members.
Okay.
in these three members, let us say first person has, let us say A is the first person, second person B, third person C. This
Okay.
guy has got a document. So document, I mean than B and C.
Okay.
Means A is the first person received. See, all these
Okay.
three people will get, but the thing is there is a time gap, little bit latency
Okay.
time. So A
Okay.
received first, A has been approved, then final
Okay.
document is approved. If A is rejected, final document is rejection status. That is a simple
Okay.
funda.
Oh, system will not wait for the other two.
Other two persons response. Even
Okay.
if it is rejected, approved, doesn't matter. So what is the A? If he is rejected, it will be rejected. If he is approved, it will be approved.
Okay.
So let us go for approval levels. So we'll show the system where exactly where you can see. So if you go to procurement, approval management, requisition approval. So I'll before, I mean this one I'll explain later. First we'll go for level of approval levels. If you go
Okay.
to down, go to edit, routing using is the approval level. So we have single approver, approval group, job level, position hierarchy, supervisor hierarchy. Single
Okay.
approver, approval group, job level, position hierarchy, and supervisor hierarchy. So 1, 2,
Okay.
3, 5 combination system will support Oracle Cloud will support. Okay.
Okay.
So these are the outcomes, routing, how the approval has to route. So
Okay.
if you see here, this particular screen is for requisition approval, PR approval. So here we
Okay.
have a pre-approval stage, post-approval. Means for
Hmm.
example, let us say you created a PR. Okay. So there are, see, in your what you call company, you people are maintaining some three groups. Okay.
Okay.
So three groups, like pre-approval means somebody has to review.
Okay.
And the three group, first group is like internal verification. Let us say there are three groups are there. First group, what
Okay.
they will do, they will scrutinize the things.
Okay.
Let us say internal validation. Second one is, let us say what you called something like middle level validation.
Okay.
Final is we have a maybe the manager or IT people who are is there. Those are the final level validation.
Okay.
So what they will do is whenever anything is created in the system as a PR, so if you are using all the rules, means pre-approval, uh,
Post.
post-approval, header stage, pre-header stage, post-approval. So what system will do? First system will hit the internal validation, means pre-approval. So here
Okay.
once it is approved, then it'll go to second level. Then if it is
Okay.
approved, it will go to third level. So
Okay.
if you want to define some levels in your
Okay.
hierarchy, then you can use pre-headed stage post approval, or you can use any one of the stage, then you can define your rules.
Okay.
Okay. So, and one more thing you can observe here, we have a FYI. What is FYI means? It is just notification. Notification
Okay.
will receive by the persons, but they don't have any authority or ability to either reject the approval notification or accept the
Accept that.
notification.
Okay.
So just he will get a notification saying that this PR has been created, this PO has been created, this has been approved, something, some information will get, but
Okay.
that is the forward notifications, but
Okay.
remaining is actions. So whenever any person will get approved document, either they will approve it or reject it.
Okay.
Okay, so here if you see, approval types is serial and parallel. In the parallel,
Parallel.
we have consensus first responder.
Okay.
Okay, now what we'll do is we'll go first. So approval routings are single approver, approval group, job level,
Job level.
supervisor,
Supervisor level.
position.
Position level.
We'll see one by one how we are going to execute this particular routings.
Okay.
So go to the system. So I'm taking only one stage.
Okay.
So depends. If you want, you can stage more than one stage, not a problem. So I'm taking only one stage, pre-approval stage. Go to here and click on edit rules. So here there are three sections. One is rule section, then
Okay.
conditions, then
Okay.
action. What action you need to perform.
Okay.
So in the action, sometimes we can find action one, action two, action three.
Okay.
So how system will do? First, system will execute first, then go to second, go to third, like a sequential manner.
Okay.
Okay. So now I'm just taking one simple rule creation for my R01 BU.
Okay.
Okay. So how to create that is, I already created. Let me delete this. Okay. So we'll create a new. I want to save this one. So here, let us say approval on category. So whenever any specific category is selected during the PR, then based
Okay.
on the category, system has to trigger the approval. Okay. So here you can see the priorities: highest, higher, high, low, lowest, so many things. So what system will is, system will always follow highest priority to till lowest priority for your condition. Whichever rules will be applicable, system will
Okay.
try to execute all, and then finally system will give the result.
Okay.
Okay. So if you want, you can change. So rule always applies. It means that when you select this, so your whatever rule you define, that will be applicable for all the cases. Whatever all the
Yes.
cases means, whichever PR has been created. So
Okay.
irrespective of BU, whatever, doesn't matter whatever attributes you're taking, but
Even
this particular rule, if you want to apply, you can apply as a rule always applies.
even for PO creation also.
Not PO. This is only PR.
Oh, okay.
In the PR, let us say amount based, I'm creating the what you call approval, or category
Okay.
based, or supplier based,
Okay.
or so many things are there. If you click
Okay.
on this, what system will do? System will apply for all the conditions, all the BUs, whatever BUs which are eligible for PR in your license. For all of them, this particular rule will be applied. So I don't want to
Okay.
keep that. Click on OK. So let me change my name here. So I want to keep my preference prefix R01 BU.
Okay.
So after entering this, then you have to define your conditions. Conditions where we have to define. You have to select this, come down here. You have to write the conditions. What
Okay.
condition I can write? Add a condition. So these are the various attributes we have: approval task, and then we
Okay.
have a user defined. User defined we'll see later. Approval task. So I'm thinking category. I want to write it. Category. Category. Okay, when category name in the requisition line, Let us say, see here, you can pass even list of values also, comma, comma,
Okay.
like that. For example, if you select as is in, then system will ask you maintain how many categories you have. Let us say office supplies. This is one category. Then one more category I'll keep as computer something, peripherals, whatever. Whichever categories we have.
Okay.
Let us say computer accessories. So I wanted to keep these two categories. Whenever any particular order for our BU, if they are created for these specific categories, system has to trigger the approval. Okay. Click on OK. Now this is one condition. Another condition also I want to keep. So I want to keep a AND condition below this.
Okay.
So what is the condition I want to keep? I want to keep the condition is this one, and also I am checking requisition BU.
Okay.
Requisition BU is equal to R01. Okay. So this is the AND. AND means these two has to be pass. Once it is passed, finally the output will come. That is AND AND gate or gate. So R means either one of the conditions. So what I
One of
will
the
do?
conditions.
Huh?
And or means either one of the condition.
Correct. So now what I'm doing is I'm making bit complex here, saying that now I have a AND condition. What is AND condition? Category and BU. And I wanted to bring two conditions here. So how I need to do is first I will make a OR, then I'll make a AND here, and I'll make these two conditions. Again, I'll make one more AND, and I'll make it two conditions. It means that this OR will execute, either one of the condition has been executed, or will execute, and then finally the rule will trigger and system will process the approval. So now I wanted, because why means because most of the time we cannot find in the practical environment, we cannot find only and here on top. We'll find most of the time or. In the or they will make it and like that.
Okay.
Okay, so now I am adding one more condition. So what condition I should wanted to add is, okay, so first we need to add an operator as a child, as a parent. Now as a parent. So what operator you have to keep? I want to keep as a or. Okay. See now in this or, this is the one condition, and one more condition I wanted to add. So select here, go to add condition. So here as a child, okay, as a child. So what I'm checking here, as a child. Let me see attributes, what and all we have. There are a lot. Category name. Okay, my delivered to location or location. Okay. Okay, destination type I'll take. Destination type. Your destination type is equal to expense. That is one condition I'm checking. And add one more condition below. Then here amount I want to check. Requisition. REQUI. Requisition approval amount is equal, does not equal. There are a lot of things. Equals or greater than equal, less than equal, greater than or equal to what? Some $200, whatever USD.
Mm.
Okay. Now, no. I want to keep this one under the end, correct? So on top you can keep, above
Okay.
keep it as end. Now what I am checking here, I have a two conditions, two branches. Do this. What happening? This is one. It is the R. Okay. So here we did a mistake actually. So this has to come under this. Okay, because okay. So I think we have, so cut this one. Okay. You cut it and keep the cursor here and cut, paste is there, paste is not there, paste as below. This one, cut it,
Okay.
put here cursor as below, as a child. No man, sorry, this is as a child. Cut again, select this
Okay.
as a child, then it is
Message.
correct. So one more is cut this one, you select this, select as a child. Okay, now it is correct. See, there are two and conditions, one is and one is in. So first and condition, what? Destination type this, if it is this, then it will execute or will give the result. Even second case, if categories is this, BU is this, it will execute. Okay,
Okay.
so like that you can make n number of permutations, combinations.
Okay.
Now after writing the condition, then add action. So here we have a automatic information, FIA, approval required, automatic. Automatic means no need to any manual intervention, system automatically will do. So
Approve.
I am going for approval required. First operation, single approver. Okay. User type. So there are a lot of things. So single approver,
Okay.
they will go for worker, and I'll give worker name. So whenever this execution, whenever these things will execute, system will
Trigger.
trigger. OM will take. So I'll take my name only. Okay.
Okay.
Click on OK. Similarly, if you have one more condition, add a condition. So let us say single approver or automatic. No, let us say information to single approver. So user type is requester. Means first condition executed, second condition, it will send the information to requester who is created this particular PR.
Okay.
So this is the actually, very logical way you have to write. But if you understand the things very simple, if you are not understanding, it is very complex.
Okay.
Okay, so mine is R01. Shoot. Hello? Hello? Yeah, power gone. No. Hello?
Okay. No.
Yeah, just I'm saving the form.
Okay.
So if you want, you can deploy here or you can deploy outside also. Save and
Okay.
close. Then deploy. Okay. So it will take some time to execute that requisition approval. So here some message will come. I don't know why here it is not coming columns. Format actions. Okay. Okay. Now you try to create your order. PR, sorry. Open the system. Procurement. Purchase requisitions. Requisitions. So I'll duplicate this 28. Anyway, concentrating only on approval rate.
Yes.
Let us see office supplies is there and my amount also it is very huge. So go to actions, go to duplicate. But practical environments like day-to-day applications, most of the companies will follow job level, position
Okay.
hierarchy, supervisor. Okay. So they won't go for these small single approvers and all. So they will go a bit more. Okay. Now I'm creating the requisition. Before creating, just save the form and verify whether approval has been triggering or not. So just save and click on manage approvals. So system will take time to show the approval. Okay. See now system has executed all the things and then
Okay.
finally system has given this hierarchy. So if we see which rule has been executed, you can see here R01 BU approval category has been executed. And this is for forward information. And finally, we can find R01 approval simple rule. So here system has executed how many? 2 rules. The reason you can see, right? Reason, name, R01 BU approval category and R01 approval simple rule. So like that, system will execute all the rules, and whichever it is applicable from that, system will pull the actions and display here. Okay. Are you getting, or still you have a doubt? Hello?
Okay. No.
Are understanding, or still you have a doubt? Why?
Yes, I understood.
Okay, here why are we getting this Ramu and OM on M? OM is coming from reason. Have you seen the reason here? R01 BU approval on category. Hello.
Nah.
I'm asking man question.
Yes. Category. Yes. Header level, right?
That is correct, Ramna. I'm asking the reason is nothing but the rule name.
Okay.
Whatever
Yes.
rule name you are given, that is the, it will come as the
R01
reason.
BU. Yes.
So
Approval
here
category.
system will be triggering 2 rules,
Okay.
because we have one more rule already there in the system. So that is the reason
Okay.
we could able to see 2 rules here. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now, when I submit this, system will trigger the notifications.
Okay.
So first it will go to whom? First, who is there in the approval? If we want to see again pending approval, it will take some time to display. Open again, pending. I think it has to come automatically.
Yes.
Pending approval. Okay. So first, the
Yes.
system is assigned to OM.
Okay.
OM means the person, the
Person.
name. So OM means mine. So if you see here in the notifications, if you open that, I could see 35. So still
Okay.
not at come. So load more. So if you want, you can search the number also. 35. That is came.
Okay. Action required.
No, should get 2 things. One is forward notification and another one is like a approval required. Action required has to come. Just wait for some time. It will take some time. So this is FIY. Similarly, I should get action required. Let me come out and come in. Sign out. If
I
no, it has to come that both the things. Okay, assign to this. So it is a just not information.
Yes.
Okay, so but open again procurement. Usually the same person should not be, I mean, won't be present.
Okay. Okay.
Purchase equations, pending approval. Oh, okay. It is directly just information. Okay. See what system will do now. If the
Okay.
persons are same, then they will combine into one.
Persons are same means.
In the approval, we have given action 1 and action 2.
Yes.
In the first action also we given OM as the worker name. Second action
Okay.
also we given OM as the worker name. So that is
Okay.
the reason first it is automatically removed and it will be go to the second one. If the persons are different, then we can see this particular row as a 2 times. One is 1 person and second is 7%. Since in my
Okay.
scenario, since both are same, that is the reason system will be directly jump to the second one. Then finally now the system will be waiting for whom? System will be waiting from this guy, last person.
Yes.
Okay, so Jaini Ramu, I don't know what is, it is mine or someone else. Okay, let me open with that. Now if you see here, you have to get 35.
Yes. 35.
Okay, now we have two options, either approve or reject, or there are a lot of other options as well. What are other options? So in the actions, you can delegate, reassign. Okay, and then reassign means will assign to someone else. Delegate
Okay.
also same thing, but I'll exactly explain what is delegate, what is reassign. Then
Okay.
route task, escalate. If you want to escalate to requester, you can escalate this one. So there are
Okay.
withdraw also they can do, suspend also they can do, skip this assignment also they can. There are a lot of things we can do. Either you can approve or reject also can do. Okay.
Okay.
So now I want to approve it. So just write down comments also. Comment something. Whatever. So even you can attach the files also.
Okay.
Yeah. Now refresh. So now it has went out. Now I will open my system in the another window.
If notifications are sometimes will notifications may not get right, then
Why it won't come? If the setups are proper, it will come. The email notification setups.
okay. Okay.
I will show that. So now if you verify your PR, then the PR is approved state. Procurement, purchase equations. See now 35 is approved.
Approved. Okay.
That is a single approval. Next, we'll explain approval group. Approval group is we are creating the group and we are adding, let us say a
Regarding is recording is on.
yeah on right blinking.
Okay.
So approval group means we have to create the group. Under the group we can add the approvers.
Okay.
Then this group we can add into the action. Okay, so how to create the groups we'll see. So go to bell notifications, show all, work list. So you should have admin BPM access. If you have admin
Okay.
BPM access, you can create your groups. So again here, go to administration, go to approval groups. So directly from the system also you can go, but this is also one of the navigation.
Okay.
So which group we have to take? We have to take RIC approval. RIC approval.
Approval.
Requisition approval.
Manage.
Approval. No, our requisition purchaser RIC only it has to become. This. So you create the group. So my group is R01
Part 01.
approval group. Okay. So then add the members. Okay. So member is Janie.
Okay.
You just select this and add a member. So above or below. So I want to make as above. So this is, I don't know why it is not coming. So go to here, provide the email ID. Let me again resume. Select this group.
Okay.
Select here. That's all. Here save. Just save the form and come out from here. Confirm again. Or okay, anyhow here it is there, right? Okay. Oh, it's completely gone. Okay, now what I have to do? Go to PR approval area. Approval management, requisition approval. So instead of action single approval, you have to remove that. Add the group. Okay. Go here. Select whichever rule you wanted to change. So I want to end for second one. Then I'm just removing this action too. And I'm keeping here edit. So here approval group. I'll keep
Okay.
my approval group is R01.
Part 01. Approval.
Automatically approve group returns. No, I don't want to do like that. Just click on OK. Okay. And then save. Deploy the page. Changes were deployed. Now quickly go and create the order. PR. So I'm selecting same and making duplicate. Actions and duplicate. So let me give something more. 600. And if you want, you can make one more duplicate also. Duplicate office supplies. So I wanted to give here some 10 quantities. Save, submit the form. Manage approvals. Now system will trigger based on the approval group. See, now it is going to first one, second person based on approval group, and that's all.
Okay.
This is the approval
Very
group creation. So I don't want to submit it because anyhow, just once you assign, this guy has to go and approve it. Next, once he approved, he'll go to next person. He has to approve. Finally, the document will goes to approve state. Okay. So that is the approval group. Then next one is job level. Job level is very important. So for that, we'll make some scenario. Okay. So
Okay.
let us take some employee A. I will simulate this one in the demo instances. Okay.
Okay.
Employee A. Let us say employee B we have. Employee C. See, first employee job. What is the first employee job is important here. The job is operator.
Okay.
Second employee is the manager. This guy is the senior manager. And system will ask what is the level.
Okay.
His level in the company is 10. His level in the company is 50. His level in the company is 100. Means
Okay.
the hierarchy is whenever the operators. See, in my example, only one operator. So this operator is the job will be applicable maybe 100 employees or 1000 employees who don't know. So for all those employees, the level, this is the level
Okay.
is 10. Are you getting it? You just ask me, man. Otherwise, it will be very tough. You can't understand.
Okay. Okay.
So let us say 10, 20, 30.
Okay.
Don't go for 50, 100, 10, 20, 30. So levels are important. So under this operator, there are maybe n number of employees, maybe 1, 2, or 100 or 1000 in the company.
Okay.
Okay, but I took only one employee here for simulating the system. So
Okay.
whenever this guy has created the audits, PRs, he has to,
Okay.
that PRs has to go to manager. Once manager has approved, it has to go to senior manager.
Okay.
Whenever manager will create the PRs, then it will go to senior manager. It won't go back to operator because
Operator.
the level of the manager is greater than level of this guy. So this
Okay.
level having some significance in the system. When I'm creating, then I'll explain what is the significance of level. So now
Okay.
I'm taking 3 employees. So in the 3 employees, for employee A, reporting manager is employee B. For employee B, reporting manager is employee C.
I see.
So 3 things we have to do here. First, we need to create the users. We need to create the
Okay.
job levels, sorry, jobs, and then we need to create the levels for that.
Levels.
And then using person management, you have to map this employee A is reporting to whom, employee B is reporting
Employee
to
B.
whom. There are
Okay.
3 to 4 tasks we need to configure the system. Then your job level will work.
Okay.
We'll go to demo instance. So this is also demo instance, but we cannot change the level that. Okay, we'll try here only. We need to jump another system. Go to I cannot create employees here.
Okay.
That is what something problem in this. So I'll go to demo instances because the names will come. That is the biggest problem. Oh, sorry, not this one.
Oh yeah.
Demo instances are working, right?
Yes.
One second, I'll bring water, man. Just one second.
Okay.
So we'll see, we'll take 3 employees. Security console. So first employee is ABC, right?
Yes.
So let me note it down all those things. abc.com. Is it right?
abc.com.
So his username is this one. This is my first employee. Okay. So his employee is operator. I'll later will see.
Okay.
So manager I need to take. Manager. Manager. What will take here, man? What is there? AB. Minimum 3 characters required. ABC nothing. We have only this XYZ or XYZ.
Only one is.
Oh, names I cannot find out here. Okay. I don't know what
Test.
data is. Huh?
One more is
Text.
there. Test dot to.
Okay, there are a lot. So first I'll take IT supplier one. No, active things will take. So let us take ITC. Supplier 2 is my manager.
Okay.
So manager should have employee role. Okay, just call this, put it here. This is my manager.
Okay.
So all these guys has to belong to same group. Okay, so edit this, add a role, employee role. Employee is important.
Okay.
Save and close. Next one is test user one. Let us take test user one. Test user one. Okay, this is the third employer.
Okay.
But business unit is different here. Okay, we'll create fatafat that it is required actually. Let me take.
Business unit has to be same, huh?
Should be.
Okay.
Let me try, or else we'll create 3 employees and then we'll do also.
Okay.
Supplier, save and close. Click on done. I don't think so. System will allow to modify the things, but we'll try. Okay. Now this is job.
Okay.
Now we'll go for jobs. Go to here. Click on this. Manage jobs.
Okay.
Manage jobs. Manage job. Manage job. Families, look up. There are a lot of things you can do that also. So I don't want to go for that. I'm going very simple. Operator. Do you have any operator? Let me see. Operator is there. Let me see this. Go here. It is very simple setup.
Okay.
So your level is not there. Okay, we'll make our own things, man. Why you depend upon the data? So my R01 operator. Okay, so R01 OP. So common set these and all, no need to bother. Just click on next. So here, what is important? State is important. Level is important. This is very, very mandatory.
Okay.
Remaining and all optional.
Optional.
Job reference code. Some other things are important. I mean, things. This is something they have created new, but remaining and all helpful for
Option.
HCM guys, not for
Okay.
us. Full time, guild time, this and all. Just if you want, you can enter. Evaluation criteria. So these are important for HCM guys because the payroll is the one of the
Yes.
part, right? So for them it is very important. So click on next. Profiles. Job profiles also not required for us. Click on next again. So level is this. My operator.
Review.
So this one we have to update here. So my level is this one. Okay.
Okay.
Submit. System will run some concurrent program. Now this particular job I need to add to first person abc.com. Okay. So how to do that? Manage users. So ABC open this. So US1 BU, why you given different BU here? What is your BU?
This one only. B01 BU0.
So I am giving here R01 operator job. Okay. Now manager also, once you add that, then we'll map the manager. Okay. So this is the first job level mapping.
Okay.
Similarly, what is my next one? R01 manager. So that also immediately will create. So open one more tab, duplicate. So next one is again go to jobs,
Jobs.
manage job.
Manage.
So we'll create all these three. Please R01 manager.
Manager.
So code also R01 MENG. So go here. Level is 20. Okay. This one I don't know what is this reference code.
MS job.
Evaluation date.
Criteria.
Click on next. 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 So this is name.
ATC.
Jobs are independent of BU. Remember that.
Okay.
There is no mapping with the BUs.
PUs.
Next one more is senior manager. 01 senior manager R01 senior manager.
Senior manager.
So 30. Next, put it level as 30. Reference code. Evaluation date 1 day before. Submit. So this is done. Go to manage users. ABC first, because ABC we have not mapped the manager name. We'll see whether it is coming or not. So manager search. This is a manager, correct?
ITC supply. Yes.
Don't think so. See, all these guys are belongs to same BU, same legal entity. Otherwise, it won't come. Okay, we'll take. Okay, fine. I don't want to go for existing one. I'll make quickly two more users. So last name is so manager, right?
X.
So
Manager.
R01
Manager.
manager.
Gmail.com.
Username. Any we don't have
Underscore
manager.
manager.
So person type. Employee.
Employee.
So legal group is very important. What is the legal group you have selected for your thing?
US1 legal entity.
What is the BU?
B01 BU0. This one. Job.
Hmm. So he's a manager.
Part 01. Manager.
Manager won't come. Manager first will create. Okay. Before this, automatic roles have to apply. R01 manager. Okay.
Okay.
R01 just type. So employee role is enough for approvers. So not
Okay.
required any other one. Save and close. Now go here. Operate with map with the. See, this is optional here, but actually what is required, I'll explain to you. R01 search. It's not coming. R01 underscore manager. Come here. R01 underscore M. What is the problem? Oh, roles. Employee is there. 01. Yes, legal entity. This and all correct. What is the problem here? We'll sign out sometimes. I think we'll see that also. Security is not required.
ఒకసారి సెక్యూరిటీ కూడా ఇవ్వనా?
Just hold on. Manage users. Manage users. Why it's not coming? Be some problem. I think security we have to give. Should be security console tools, security console. Tool security console. So if I type mine R01. It is there. First name manager, is it? Okay. It's created. Uh,
That password, reset password,
why you
that
want reset
security.
password now? Huh?
We have to give security, right?
What security? Arey yaar, we are checking that manager is not coming.
Okay, okay.
Manage users. ABC. It's not RJ1 manager. That option I had to give. Manager. Manager. Comma this.
Hmm.
Not this.
Purchasing us.
Why ours is not coming to the biggest problem? Okay, I'm creating one more. Okay, so now we created. So next is person management. See here, manager is not required there, but person
Okay.
management is important. Oh, you do have or not? Rules. Person information. No, this one. Mm, okay, let me go for ABC is the person. So for this guy, go to actions, person and employment.
It's an employment.
Could directly go there, what will happen? Okay. So here, go and either update or correct. Add assignment. So BU specific is general. Assignment is BU specific and reporting manager. So BU is, what is your BU?
B01. B01 underscore. First one, yes.
Okay, so what is the job?
Manager.
Hey, what
Employee.
manager?
Employee.
Operator man.
Op-
This guy, ABC1.
ABC. Okay.
Why it is level is not there? Level. Okay, this manager details. Whatever. Zero. Okay, first I am selecting first manager and name. Whatever. ಇದೇಂದ್ರು name all same ಇದೆ. I think same only.
Manager.
Who has, oh, we added twice, thrice we added, sorry. So manager and then type is the
Line manager.
any manager. That's all. Just add the manager level here.
Okay.
Let's save. Okay. Click on next. There are a lot of changes happened. Earlier it was not this much. Roles, add assignment roles. It's not required. Okay. Now we verify why level is not there nowadays. Okay, that's enough here. Save and then submit.
లెవెల్ లేకుండా వస్తాను ఇప్పుడు.
Need to check, I don't know. Okay, so one more guy. Close this form. Go to R01. Search
సీనియర్ మేనేజర్.
manager. Go here. Don't make noise, man. Update. His job is same. R01. Search manager. Level, I don't know why they remove levels. God knows. So here, senior manager is reporting. Business unit. B01. The train stops all and all. So save, submit. Okay, at last one anyhow. Not required, but anyhow. Okay, this is enough. Okay. So now go to setup and maintenance. So after this will wind up. Position will see next class. Position supervisor. Requirement. Go to approval. Requisition. Select towards edit rule. So query by filter.
R01.
R01. Did we open correct or what? Oh, this is something else.
Approval is header hierarchy.
What header hierarchy? You don't know where we are in. We are in where? This is another instance, right?
Okay.
So your BU is requisition BU, all those things are there.
Yes.
R01 approval category. It is there, right? Select this. Add a condition. Category. Category name is in plus office. Complex. Router.
Even we can create for item కూడా కదా, item కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చు కదా.
You can do whatever you want.
B01.
You go to add action. Job level. Approval chain of preparer. It will start from where? Either preparer, requester, whatever. Start with reporting manager. Minimum job level. So minimum job level, if you keep 30, so system will route to manager and senior manager. Till 30, whoever is there for them, system will target to send the notifications. That is the level here, important. So go to advanced. This is the top person. Who is the top person in your company, like a CEO? So that is just for information point of view. Click on OK. So including all approaches, yes. Click on OK. Then save. Only this one is enabled. Deploy. So you have access also, prepare request, all those things.
Yes.
Where is procurement?
Here.
Purchase equation. Okay, any of charge account is not there. So I'll give some charge account here. Deliver to location. What is the deliver to location there? For BU0, B01.
B01, BU0.
So we'll verify now job level whether it is working or not. Most it has to work.
Okay.
Category office supplies. So 3,400. Negotiation add to cart. Go here. Go to review. So charge account not came. Why? Select that. It will come. Save the form. Uh, cannot be distribution.
Transaction account.
Huh? There are a lot actually.
Charge account ఇది create చేయాలన్నా?
It is where a lot of story is there, man. For that, it is not a simple one. Charge account creation is very
అంటే దీనికి మళ్ళీ
so
చార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్స్ అన్ని క్రియేట్ చేయాలి కదా?
not chart of accounts. TAD you have to set up. Charge account, transaction account definition. TAD is unavailable. System is not taking from here. is always targeting there. We can't test man. We'll see next class. Okay. So here there are a lot of problem with the charge account. So let me try that definition.
అనేది చార్జ్ అకౌంట్ క్రియేట్ చేయొచ్చా?
You have to learn the TAD. We can't do simply. Okay. There is a TAD concept. From that
అది
you
అర్థం
can.
కావాలి. అది అర్థం కావాలేమో మనకి. మరి రియల్ టైమ్ సినారియోలో ఫైనాన్స్ వాళ్ళు చెప్తారా ఏ అకౌంట్ కన్సిడర్ చేయాలి?
They will tell everything. TAD. It is active. I given right this one. What you call rapid implementation and all. Why you are not creating your own legal entity and all? Always you are depending upon that ES1 all those things. This is very tough, Ramna. You create your own legal entity, you know, right? Rapid implementation. Once you run that, then you can create, right?
Okay.
Because US1 is like everyone will use. We cannot fix this problem. We'll see next class. Okay. So I'll simulate this one again in my system and let you know. Okay.
అది దాంట్లో ఇన్ఫోసిస్ దాంట్లో చేయకూడదా? అది టెస్ట్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంటే కదా.
That is not a test environment. It is there also we have some issue. That is what I'll take 3 employees and need to test it entire thing. Then only will understand.
అప్రూవల్స్ కి ఇన్ని ఉంటాయా?